Before you get rolling on exercise 3, make sure you have at least reviewed, if not completely read, chapter 5, marking up text. Matter of fact, you should probably have the text open so you can consult back to the chapter as you're working on exercise 3. I also really encourage you to use an online tool like W3 Schools. So if you go to their homepage, you can click on Learn CSS. And a lot of these content areas over here, okay, are going to be directly related to what we are doing in exercise 3. All right, so I really encourage you to read through the introduction, CSS syntax, selectors. There's a how-to section here, and references for colors, backgrounds, border margin, padding, on and on. Okay, and also let's say directly what we're working with in chapter 5 is text. Okay, so you can go to the section that will show you all of the text properties and their values, which is really, really helpful. And what's nice is there's a try it yourself section. Okay, so as an example, if you click on try it yourself, we'll see that the H1, all right, so the H1 tag, which is right here, I should say, the H1 tag, this is a heading. Up in our CSS, we have our H1 selector, and then we have the property color and the property value of green. So if we were to change this to red and then run, you will see what you have done with the code, do a live update. So this is really helpful, a really helpful tool for learning CSS. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close this window, and we're going to get started by beginning to add selectors to our HTML, okay? Or I shouldn't say adding, well, in some cases we will be adding selectors, but we'll be using selectors to target elements in our HTML.